Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split one column into two. Okay, so here you will see I have this column. Okay, in this column I have written first and second name with first and second name with comma. Okay, to split this. Okay, so how to this column into two columns. Okay, how to split this column into two columns. So what you have to do, first you have to select the column here like this. Okay, then here you will see data option. Just click on this data in the ribbon. Then here you will see text to column option. Now click on it. Then here you will see delimited option. Okay, now you have to just select this delimited option. Okay, then you will see all of the data here. Then click on next. Okay, then here you will see tab and semicolon, comma, space, all these things. So as I splitted names in between comma, okay, with comma, so you have to just click on comma. Now no tab, then click on next. Okay, now here you have to choose the destination where you want to split this comma. So what you have to do, click on it, then select these. Okay, then enter. Now again click on finish. Okay, now here there is already data here. Do you want to replace it? Click on OK. So you will see this is how you can split one column into two. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.